So I want to show this. This is my 48-inch flush mount truck toolbox. It's a Lund. I've had it for 5 years now. I want to show you how I attached it to the truck instead of drilling holes through the bed of the truck. What I did was I got these D-ring tie downs, drilled the holes through the side, cut down a piece of steel plating to reinforce the aluminum with some big washers, and then I put the bolts through there. I cut them off flush with the lock nuts, and then I used these turnbuckles to grab onto them to hold them down to the tie down in the truck. Got on there with a crescent wrench to tighten it down, so pulled it to the back. Same thing over there to hold that down so this thing does not move. It is in here. And then this chain, this is actually a replacement chain for a trailer for the breakaway. So what I use this for is, obviously I went around that, I chained it to the actual loop on the truck, so this is kind of chained to the truck, a little bit secured. And then when I got the gooseneck in for the breakaway switch, I attach it to this, so it's attached to the truck, because you're not really supposed to attach it to your mount chains. They say you can attach it to that, but the whole point of the breakaway is in case the chain fails. So if the chain fails, either that broke off or whatever. So I do it a different point. So my trailer always has 4 points of contact. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to clean this out because this is a disaster. But yeah, just wanted to show how I set up my toolbox in the bed of my truck.